Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to be making a really quick 5-minute gift bag. If you want to spend more time on this, you really can do. This die set is the handy gift bag and it's from my brand new collection, Deck the Halls. And today we are going to be making the gift bag version without the lid. And I've also got 2 sheets of patterned paper cut to the size of the die. These papers are from Deck the Halls. These are absolutely stunning. I love these. So let's run this through quickly. So you will be needing a large format die cutting machine for this one. And I'm also going to pop this on as well. That will create our holes all at the same time. Okay, it's pretty hard to see because it's very heavily patterned, but this has done all of the score lines. Might be easier if I turn this around. You can see that there. So all we have to do now is just fold everything over. And I'm going to use a bone folder to press everything in. Okay, now once that is all done, I'm going to go over to my bookbinding glue because it dries super fast and dries really strong. I'm going to join this bag together using the side tabs. I didn't intend to pattern match, but it appears that I have. Okay, turn that over and add your glue to this side tab here, and then if you do it all flat, you don't have to stand there and try and hold it in place. Okay, and then all we have to do now is just fold these flaps in at the bottom, add a bit of glue there, close that, add a little bit more glue to the final flap. There we go. So I have allowed the patterned paper to do most of the talking with this one. So it's a very simple gift bag. All we have to do now is just add our handles. Okay, so I have here some green ribbon. I love this shade of green here. It works so well with this red tartan as well. So what you can do is pop this through and tie some knots, but that will slow me down. And to be honest, if I use hot glue with this, it will be held in more securely. And I'll pop a photo just up here of Vicky's gift bag that she made. Now she's added in some eyelets using her crocodile, so definitely try that as well. So all I'm going to do is pop these in through the holes, and then I'm going to add some glue just underneath here. You can just see, just going to add some glue just underneath there and then press that down, and that should hold this handle in nice and securely, because we don't want rope handles coming off and your bag dropping to the floor. That's never nice when that happens. Okay, and there is a very simple 5-minute gift bag that you can make, and if you have some extra time you can add a lid to it, you can decorate it. I have my Christmas character sets right here, gorgeous little characters that you can add. But what I would like to do is match this gift bag with my card that I've also made using the stamp set and the papers. So I have made a matching panel to go with my card. Let's glue this now onto the gift bag. And there we have our gift bag. Isn't that lovely? Matches the card perfectly. So here is our 5-minute gift bag. I've just spent a little bit longer just decorating it to match my card. I absolutely love this. It's a cute little gift set. So if you love Deck the Halls, please do check out all the other things in the range. We have the mini drum, we have the handy gift bag with the lid. This is what we've just made. We also have the wreath box as well. There's so much here, there's not enough room. And with that wreath box you can also make this giant gift box in the shape of a candy cane. And that has gone a bit squiffy. Let's turn that round. There we go, that's better. And don't forget, if you are a VIP, you can get 10% off your order as well at CraftStash. So if you like this one, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again later.